Hello guys, today I want to talk about Maker 7 3D printer, what this printer can do, and just show how this printer is built. I think it's very nice printer. It's something between Creality CR10 and Anet E12. We have direct extruder, we have 2 axes, and pullers works very quiet actually. So it's like you see, I'm using this printer just now at home and I don't have big complaints. This printer is very friendly with beginners. It comes with user guide, assemble, specs, pre-installation instruction, and of course you have all info in your SD card. All cables have labels, and actually it took for me about 10-15 minutes, just 2 screws, this one and this one. Okay, and those 2 parts also. It's standard. So it's very friendly with beginners. Like I told before, you have direct extruder and 2 axes. You can look, it's my first print. This printer, I printed it in 300 microns, and it's gorgeous, no complaint. That's nice actually. Last plate. Hot bath works like in more or less like in Creality. It took for me about 3 minutes and I get 50 degrees. What I don't like about this printer, actually I don't like just 2 parts, this one and this one. It comes in acrylic. Printer it cost $350 and still have acrylic parts. Yeah, it is like it is. Okay, control box also acrylic, but it's very quiet. And all other parts it's metal sheet, or no, yeah, some kind of metal. So it's yeah, quite stable, very stable. Printing area 310, 410. So I'm planning to use this printer for my project, print some helmets and quadcopter frames, because sometimes I have problems when it's 300. Yeah, it's little too little actually. So this one, it's exact what I need. So I hope you like my mini review. Like, and don't forget to subscribe to my new channel. Enjoy!